Yo, what's up YouTube? Guess who's back? At Motovlogging. What's going on, guys? I hope you guys are doing well. Your guy right here, Mr. Heikel, he's doing well, and that's why he's like, you know, kind of happy. Yay, my life is slowly getting back on track after it has been derailed last year in September. You know, the big accident, broke my collarbone and stuff like that. The Duke also is back to its previous state. All good to go, you know, most of the parts has been repaired and replaced. As for today, I just got my camera. This camera is a Gitup Git 2P. P for penis. The old Gitup is using a Sony sensor kind of shit, and this one is using a Panasonic sensor. Basically, the Panasonic sensor, which the one I have currently, which you guys are looking at right now, it has better video quality. What I'm recording right now is at 1080 60 FPS. I believe a lot of people or a lot of vloggers in YouTube have transferred over to 1440p, but I'm still stuck in 1080. My videos are like fucking average, so I don't really need like good cameras. I mean, I don't really need to invest in one because the purpose of my camera is for everyday riding lah. You know, to act as a safety, act as a dash cam. For those of you who are car people, you know, you guys use dash cam. Motorbikers like me, I use helmet camera as my dash cam. The only difference is you car people, you know, you guys don't need to turn on your camera every time, whereas I do. I mean, this is really the first time I'm trying out to record. I don't even know whether, you know, the file is gonna be great, whether, you know, the audio is gonna be correct, because the audio setup, I mean, the position of my microphone is the same one as my last time. I didn't change a single shit, just that I don't know whether my current external mic is compatible with this camera lah, basically. So yeah, you guys just, you know, watch the video, see how I vlog, and then, you know, give some feedback whether the audio quality is good, whether the camera angle is good, or whether the audio is good. Okay? Supermoto! I want a Supermoto, guys. What do you guys think? Should I get a Supermoto? Should you get a KTM or a DRZ? I mean, the DRZ is a common path for a Supermoto. For those who are new to Supermoto, Supermoto! I don't know lah, I just think like, you know, you're gonna have much more fun with Supermotos, man. You know, Supermoto, you can do like wheelies on it, you can go semi off-road with it, you can brab, motherfucker, brab. I mean, you can even ride upstairs, man, up like a fucking staircase. Recently also got a lot of Supermoto track days here in Singapore. We have one at KF1 circuit or track that's located in Kranji, and we have another KF1 also, but that one is at the arena located at I think Pioneer or Jukun, near Jukun MRT. Yeah, man. I mean, I'm missing out a lot, sial. Supermoto, man. Fuck, man. And I honestly think, you know, the Supermoto will suit me more because I'm a big size person. Yeah, I'm a big size person. Me on the Duke, I look like one buffalo riding a bicycle, you know. And some more, the helmet is a dual sport helmet, but riding a street bike. Like, what the fuck? Confirm some of you like laugh at me before, right? I know one. Don't mind the laughter at the back. That's my girlfriend. She's with me right now. But yeah, I should get a KTM, man. But I mean, yeah, if you want to get a KTM, get the best lah. I mean, what, 350? I mean, for now I only have class 2A, 2B, 2A, so I can only ride up to like KTM 400. But 400 EXCs, they are like old bikes, man. So it's not really advisable to get a KTM 400 EXC. Yeah, I've been eyeing on the KTM 356 days, but yeah, this is a fucking problem. Money, money, money. The cost of, you know, owning a 356 day, if it's around the same as the Duke 390, oh, I'll be glad to take it, man. I mean, I can afford a Duke 390, both riding and maintenance, but to be honest, Duke 390 made in India, quality wise is not really there. I mean, some are there, some are not. Cost is affordable lah, because you know India is in Asia. If I buy a KTM 350 6 days, you know, it's made in Austria, so the parts have to be imported from Europe. With Duke 390, the parts import from India. Fucking, not fucking cheap, but cheaper lah. Okay, cheaper. Want to buy DRZ fucking heavy. That's one thing. I heavy, you know, especially around the belly area. Belly area heavy, yeah, the bike heavy. Later want to wheelie, cannot. Want to corner also a bit hard because the stomach in the way. Yeah, I mean, look at me, I got big stomach. Yeah, I see my girlfriend also holding it like, what the fuck. She loves it, man. I don't. I really want a Supermoto, but at the same time I feel like keeping a Duke 390 because it's fully paid. I mean, I can just trash the Duke 390 also because parts are affordable. So yeah, I've been in a dilemma for like few nights really lah. I don't know whether to get Supermoto or not. So you guys let me know lah. You guys give me your suggestion, suggestion. You guys give me your suggestion on whether I should proceed, you know, with getting a Supermoto, or should I keep the Duke 390? So just a quick update video for you guys. I love you all. This is Adonan signing out. Stay tuned for my next video. Okay, I think I'm gonna start my uploading schedule back to a weekly basis, like, you know, every Wednesday or every Thursday, something like that. So yeah, check me out, guys. Adonan signing out. Bye bye, guys. Love you all. Mwah.